Right, welcome back to another comparison video. Today we're going to be looking at IC Markets versus Vantage. Now, Vantage come out on top in the previous video, and thank you everyone for commenting down below. IC Markets was a very popular one, so we're going to jump in and compare both of them, and then I'm going to give you my honest opinion at the end. Now, please note I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence, and I do this for educational purposes only. Right, up first is IC Markets. We can see icmarkets.com. Links will be in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what we can see here is IC Your Trade 5. Okay, explore the latest session of ICYT with leading experts. Pip spreads from 0.0, leverage 1 to 500, micro lot trading, tradable instruments over 2,000, and a dedicated support. Okay, we can see the raw spread advantage as well. Raw spreads are the difference you have been waiting for. Trade with spreads from 0 pips. And as we go down, we can see that raw spreads means really from 0.0 pips. We can see over on Euro USD is 0.15%. The spread is 0, so your bid price and ask price are exact. They also had a fast order execution and institutional grade trading as well. Now, as we go down, we can see the trading volume in April 2024 is US $1.64, 200,000 active clients worldwide, and an excellent 4.8 on Trustpilot. Okay, so you do have an option of MetaTrader 4, 5 or C Trader with TradingView capable as well. And they have not only Forex, commodities, stocks, cryptos, bonds, indices, but also futures as well. So they also do instant deposits, fast withdrawals, and a 0 commission. And you can open an account in 4 simple steps. Okay, that's looking very good. If we look at the headers at the top, what can we see as well? So they do live accounts, demo accounts, and then give you how to do deposits. They give you your trading platforms and also introductions. There's all your trading accounts there. There are multiple different ones. So let's just take a look at the different accounts you can have. Okay, so this is what I expected. The raw spreads where you get 0 pips, you are paying a commission per lot size. So if you're doing a 10 lot trade, you will be paying $35. So you have to factor that in for normal ones. Okay, so standard account, which is 0 commissions, you're getting spreads from 0.8. That is the normal account to have. So obviously the popular spread is a more professional, maybe a low trader as well. But we can see here why choose our raw spread account. So they're definitely pushing the raw spread. That's probably for the commission base. They do have an education platform and loads of different help and resources as well. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below, and let's jump back into the video. Now let's take a look at Vantage, the one that came out on top in our previous video. So this is Vantage Ultimate Trading Machine with over 5 million plus traders. It's a nice and simple process to get started as well. But if we go down, we can see we just missed that one, but you can get Vantage rewards, Vantage switch bonus, which means if you switch to Vantage and claim up to $700 in cash bonuses. They also have a copy trade growth shield where you can earn up to 0.39 daily interest and enjoy loss rebates when you copy eligible signals. And then you get latest on Trump's tariffs, deposit bonus as well, which if you deposit, you get a 50% bonus. So if you're depositing $1,000, you actually get an extra $500 on top of that to trade into your account. As we go down, we can see that they have competitive spreads as well. This is massive on gold, 0.75 spread when you can see the market average is 0.89. And then you've got your Forex, GBP, NZD, 2.65, 3.31 market average, and then energy and indices as well. You can see that Vantage actually comes out on top on every single one of them. So Vantage is an award-winning broker as well. They've got a trusted CFD broker with over 15 years of experience, 3 million plus registered users, over 1,000 different products, spreads from 0.0 as well, and a 0% deposit fee. They have multiple different review accounts as well. You've got Trustpilot, Google Play, Google, Forex Brokers, everything, with loads of different publications as well. So you can really do your own due diligence and just confirm that everything is looking gravy. Now, the good thing about Vantage is they do have their own app. You can download this onto your smartphone. That's either Google Play or App Store. And they have a 5-star 24/7 customer support as well. Now, they're driving excellence with leading CFD broker. They have Forex indices, gold and silver, energy, ETFs, soft commodities, and also shares. So if you're looking at getting into the likes of Tesla, Netflix, and Meta, any of those, you can do that on Vantage as well. So this really is a all-in-one platform. Okay, support and resources as well. There's 24/7 customer support, a help center, and also free educational resources to expand your trading knowledge as well. Now, as always, we're going to look at that top section as well, just to see what else they have to offer. They've got a huge sponsorship deal at the moment, where if we click on that, you can see that they're actually linked with Ferrari. So that's the Ferrari, the official partners, the Formula One team, and you can see Mr. Lewis Hamilton himself there. Now, if we click on the trading platform, you get overviews, all trading products, markets, trading accounts. So they also do have the swap free, standard STP, raw ECN, and pro ECN. So if we just take a look at the accounts, just to keep it balanced, so we are looking at every single one effectively. If we scroll down, we can see that their trading account comparison, raw here, minimum deposit is $50, but the commission is only from $3 at this time, not $3.50. Their pro account is a minimum deposit of $10,000, and their standard is commission is 0 as well. So if we go up and just have a look at their platforms, they've got that Vantage app that is very useful and very good to have as well, alongside MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, Pro Trader, and they have a copy trading facility as well, where you can copy trade and earn in one tap, and also demo trading. Now, the Academy, as you can see, has massive, vast amounts. You've got your courses, your Trump tariffs, your all articles, webinars, ebooks, terminology, lives, and also the Vantage View, where they actually give you insights on the market drivers. Partner program, so if you are looking at becoming an affiliate, you can earn a revenue share of up to 70% revenue share with Vantage partners, and introducing brokers as well, where partner with Vantage for top tier IB commissions. Multiple different promotions, you can refer friends, have those advantages we touched on earlier, and also an overview of everything. Now, looking at both of those, it was very close, to be honest. IC Markets is a leading company, so coming to this video, I was very excited. However, for me, I do feel Vantage has tipped them. I just think everything have to offer. You've got the less commission price, which if you're going to go for the raw account, having that commission as low as possible is a big game changer. Now, these aren't just any small company. They've got over 5 million traders registered with over 15 years experience, and being the sponsorship partners of Ferrari, you know that you're going to be getting into something that, let's be honest, Ferrari have put their face to. They're putting that face to it. You have the platforms that you have over 6, I believe it was, with their own custom Vantage app as well. So you have access to your dashboard even on your phone. You don't have to go onto a website and see everything. You can do it all from your smartphone. Now, not to mention their Academy, that honestly, even I didn't know they did half of the stuff, but having those ebooks, webinars, and even those live calls really will push a beginner into more advanced, and also having that advanced to have that market analysis just to back up their division as well. Now, let me know down in the comments your opinion on which one came out on top. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.